In this video guide, we will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called WANNAFRIENDME 2. WANNAFRIENDME 2 is the ransomware that damages the files that people store on their hard drives. You can clearly see that before the ransomware attack there are no problems opening any file types before the ransomware attack. However, after the ransomware attack, things change and bad things happen. The ransomware encrypts these files, and it says that your files have been encrypted by the WANNAFRIENDME 2 ransomware. Ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom. To decrypt your files, you must buy a GAMEPASS that costs 800 ROBUX. It also quotes this special email address for contacting the developers. But to pay the ransom or to contact the developers does not guarantee that the files would be restored. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. Speaking about the extension that is added, the extension is iRazormind. This is the extension that is added by the ransomware. This is why this ransomware is also called iRazormind file virus. Once again, you should not pay the ransom, and you should remove this ransomware immediately. We recommend you to use a special program that is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Please download it through the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, then begin researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in this mode. Click on Start Scan. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely crucial for proper detection and removal of any ransomware. Then the scanning will begin. While the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the feature called Anti-Ransomware. This feature is a part of Combo Cleaner Premium license. It allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be under the protection against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you will see the whole summary of threats that were found during the scan. You'll be able to know the exact locations of threats on your system. We recommend you to upgrade to the premium license, and this is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.